How to fix Apex Legends not launching Steam. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Apex Legends. So make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So as you can see, I don't have the option of update, which means that we have the latest version of the application. After that, we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application and then tap on App Info. Now, after that, it will land you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So just tap on it and then you can delete all data if it's possible. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have given access to the camera option, which is the only required permissions right now. So after that, you can go back and look for the Apex Legends and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.